So welcome again. In this video, I'll be showing how to do the web log analysis through Pandas. It's fairly very easy, and way I would say way easier than what we do in text editors and Microsoft Excel. So this video covers that. I'll try to make it as short as I can, and I'll not be teaching you how to code that this code which is present in this notebook, but I'll try to show the methodology which I'm using to analysis the code more fast and quick. And I mean, in blue team operation, it's very critical that you utilize uh, a very less amount of time while analyzing your data, as you have to do many things. So if you have a good tools under your hood, it's very easy to do the analysis and then do the remediation. So this video is all about that thing. So let me just take you a quick walk through the first snippet of the code, which is here. So as you can see, normally the web logs look like this, in a line where they contains many things: date, time, IP, user agent, and the URL. So that's pretty simple, but to pass that into a data frame, it's a bit tough task. But this piece of code can do that. So basically it is fetching these fields: ip, date, time, request status, number of bytes, and complete url, user agents. And then it is transforming them in a data frame. And then the data frame is shown below this code as output. But one thing I changed about this code is that I changed the date time in date time object type in data frame, so that I can put some operation like a logical or indexing function more quickly, as they operate mainly on the date time. So yeah, that's the code is all about. And one more thing, I'll put that in my repo. So no issue regarding that. You can download it and play with it, whatever weblog you have. So usually usually in blue team operation, what we have is that either there is some scan going, or there is any hacking tool which is attacking our server. So to know that, sometimes they have I'm just giving you the situation so that you can understand it better, to understand my methodology. So this piece of code will tell you how many unique user agent is present in our logs. So as you can see, that these were the user agents, and you can see that nicto 2.16 was noted. So basically someone was trying to scan our web server and try to find the vulnerability. Okay, cool. Then I would like to know what they have performed on our web server. So basically, we can get that by request. And as you can see down there, we have a system, who am I, system, net user, net share, and net use hacker. So basically, the attacker was trying to uh, command inject his or her command on the system and try to know what are the response. So in the last line, we try to see if was the attacker successful in attacking and creating a persistence. So as we can see, the request status is 200. So most probably the attacker was successful. So that's it from the video, and I'll see you in another video.